touch that fine for you. I do that 3 but.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, this morning I am about to make me a good red juice with a lot of antioxidants and like health benefits. If y'all don't know, or before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So, if y'all can't tell, my Bell's palsy is back activated. So, that's why this eye is blinking much slower than this one. And my speech is again slurred and my lips are kind of going this way. So, I did do a life update or whatever on the previous video. So you want to know all about Bell's palsy and what I plan to do as far as a lifestyle change and all of that kind of stuff, go check that video out. But on this video, we are doing a juice. So I do have my juicer ready. I already have my fruit. I gotta get a good thumbnail, y'all, because with Bell's palsy, it's gonna be hard for me to make certain facial expressions. So let me just see. I think that was decent. But yeah, I have a red apple cut, and I still got some water in there because I couldn't drain it all out. But I have cranberries. I have pomegranate, I have strawberries and raspberries and a red apple, as I already said. So this is a good red juice that's filled with antioxidants, but I don't even know if it's good, y'all, because this will be my first time trying these ingredients together. But I like all of these, so I don't know why the juice wouldn't be good. So that's what we're doing today in this video. I didn't assemble my juicer because I wanted y'all to be able to see, because y'all know baby got me this for our anniversary this month. So I've been making quite a bit of juices off camera, but I'm going to bring y'all this good old juice on camera. So I wanted to show y'all how easy it was to assemble. So I'm going to do that on camera with y'all. And y'all, this juicer was inexpensive in my opinion. Baby paid about $130 all together. Okay. So it's very simple to put together, y'all. It's not hard at all. This piece push down the fruit. This piece catch the fruit that comes out, and then this is for your juice. So it was that quick to put together, very simple. And we just gonna get started, y'all. I'm just gonna put the stuff in, not in no certain type of order, but let me make sure y'all can kind of see, because I'm gonna have to put it in there. Okay, so let's go. I probably should have got more than one red apple, but it'll be okay. We're gonna make it work. But y'all can see the little juice coming out. Okay, let's just grab and put it in. And y'all never had raspberries or cranberry or like fresh juice, so I don't really know how it's gonna taste. But hopefully it's good. And y'all, one thing I noticed, if fruit is kind of mushy, it do this right here. So I do think at some point I'm gonna get a more expensive juicer that can kind of handle more. But for right now, I'm going to be using this one. And we're going to make it do what it do. And y'all never had fresh, like, cranberry juice like this. Let's put some pomegranate seeds up in there and see what they do. And y'all, hope this is good. And y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm doing a lifestyle change. So that's why I will be juicing. And also, I'm ordering me a treadmill, a vibration plate. I already have some jump ropes. So I'm on a new lifestyle journey, y'all. So we're going to be losing some weight. And just getting healthier. Okay, it looked like it made a good amount of juice too, y'all. Okay. And y'all, I'm going to show y'all what it's splitting out up close. Okay, I think it's pretty much done. 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I think that's pretty much done. I'm going to close the little lid so it won't drop back in there. But y'all, this is all it's spit out, like from the fruit. So I'm going to dump this. Give me a second. Okay, y'all, so I got the counter and stuff cleaned up. Y'all, this is the juice. It made a good amount. So I'm going to taste it. Y'all. Ooh. I gotta write that one down because y'all, I just created that on my own. That's real good, but I like it real cold. It's kind of chilly, but I like my drinks cold. But y'all, this is so good. Oh my God. That's a good combo. And I love that when you juice, you can kind of taste like each individual thing that you put in there, and it still kind of come together. It's like one good flavor. Y'all, this is good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I just came up with that one because when I was researching, I saw somebody put like beets strawberry. Everything was kind of red. So I said, I'm gonna create me a red juice. And y'all know I'm new to the juicing. So I'm trying to get down what juices I like together, what I don't like, you know, whatever. But y'all, this one is a keeper. So I'm definitely gonna write this one down. I love this combination. And it's just good. But I gotta let it get real cold so I can really enjoy it. So y'all, that is my juicing for this morning. And later on, I am going to get my nails and toes done. So I will be vlogging all day. But of course, there's going to be several videos, so it's not long and drawn out. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.